don't look. No, I don't sell PackOut stuff either. I'm just saying. What we're here for. I needed a 12 amp hour battery. And I couldn't find them in any other package. So, you were gonna help me. So, I might have a fuel Sawzall, but I don't have a Super Sawzall, and I don't have a 12 amp hour battery. So, create another bag for me to sell. Because of course it's gonna go into a PackOut. Cardboard. Woohoo! Another charger. Nate, you know what's up. Chargers. Strap, whatever. Oh, isn't that cute? A little saw blade. There's something probably big in there. Oh, there it is. Okay. The Super Sawzall. It doesn't look an insane amount different, but it's got the oscillating. I'm excited to try that out. But what's in here? This thing, I'm not even gonna take it out of the box yet. Hold on. XC50. There's a newer 3.0. You can see those are the exact same size. That's not bad. I mean, it's just a little guy though.
What's the difference between the two?
Between what two?
The other one.
The batteries?
No. Yeah, the batteries.
This one's little and this one's big. Julia's over there. So, 12 amp hour, aka self-defense. If you are a concealed carry advocate, you don't need it anymore. You've got this. Just keep this on you, and if somebody comes, you just throw it at them. But I wanted this for my backpack vacuum. I wanted it for the sprayer that I'm going to be playing around with. Well, and then of course if you're running a Sawzall, once you go putting something this heavy on with something this heavy, I see why it's called the Super Sawzall. I mean, look at that thing. Here, let me grab the regular one. It's gonna feel so different. Not much. You can see this one's longer. Obviously, they both have the rafter hook, which is nice. I love this. Carrying, putting it on yourself, you name it. But oscillating. So excited. So this will be like my, when I want to cut down a house saw, and this will be like if I want to cut like a 2x4 saw or something like that. So like we obviously got Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear as far as batteries go. But that's really what I wanted out of the kit. And nobody has ever gotten in trouble for having too many saws. So if you want some more information on these, well, you're not on the right channel. But if you want to see me do stupid stuff with these, stay tuned.